Next, we are going to see is about the elastic behavior of materials. Okay, so all the materials will have some elastic behavior. So that has been discussed here. In solid, the interatomic forces bind two or more atoms together, and the atoms occupy the position of stable equilibrium. So when you consider solid, all the atoms are tightly bound, and so it has a stable equilibrium. When a deforming force is applied on a body, its atoms are pulled apart and pushed closer. Okay, so when a deforming force is applied, what happens? They are pulled apart. Okay, so they move away from their position. Yes, and when the deforming force is removed, same way when you are removing the deforming force, interatomic force of attraction or repulsion restores the atoms to the equilibrium position. Okay, so the first condition is when you are applying with the deforming force, what happens? All the atoms or the molecules, they just move, okay, from one place to other. Yes, again when you are removing with the deforming force, what happens? The atom regains itself to the own position. Again it comes back to the equilibrium position. If a body regains its original shape and size after the removal of deforming force, it is said to be elastic. Okay, consider an example of that is rubber band. Okay, just give a deforming force so that it elongates. Okay, again if you are leaving it, what happens? It comes back to its own position, is it not? So that is said to be elastic. Okay, and the property is called as elasticity. Yes, so when a body regain its original shape and size when after the removal of deforming force, so you are giving the deforming force, and after when you remove the deforming force, what happens? The body come back to its own position. That position is called as elastic, and the property is called as elasticity. Okay, so this is an object. So when you are giving the deforming force, what happens? It get elongates, and again when you are removing the deforming force, what happen? It come back to its same position as the first one. Yes, so if a body regain its original shape and size, so what it does? It comes back to the original position when the deforming force is removed. Okay, here we are removing with the deforming force. That is called as elastic, and the property is called as elasticity. Clear? And the force which changes the shape or the size, that is called as what? Deforming force. As we have seen, that force is called as what? The deforming force. Clear? And the examples are rubber, metals and steel ropes. These are the examples of elastic bodies. Clear? So this is the elastic force. So when you are applying the deforming force, what happen? It elongates, and again when you are removing this deforming force, it come back to its original position. Okay, clear? So next is plasticity. So what is meant by plasticity? So it will not elongate. So if a body does not regain its original shape and the size after the removal of deforming force, so it will not change the size or the shape. Okay, and that is said to be a plastic body, and the property is called as plasticity. Example we can say is glass. Okay, so glass we cannot expand, or we cannot apply any deforming force. Even when it is applied, it will not regain its original shape. Okay, so the deforming force apply panna என்ன ஆகும் to the glass? It breaks. Okay, after that will it regain its original shape? No. Okay, so that is called as plastic bodies, and they are said to be plasticity. Property is called as plasticity.